Z-level undercut operations have been enhanced to make the workflow easier. Depth per cut can now be defined by percent flute length, which is helpful when the T-cutter has a large tool diameter. Machine-only undercuts provides a quick method to limit the tool path to the undercut geometry. In addition, Z-level undercut operations now support user-defined tools. To demonstrate, we'll edit an existing Z-level undercut operation containing a user-defined tool. The percent flute length option is new. This option provides a more convenient depth control method to support T-cutters with large tool diameters. Machine-only undercuts allows you to specify the undercut geometry quickly by limiting the tool path to the undercut geometry, no longer requiring you to select geometry manually. We'll first look at the tool path with machine-only undercuts turned off. The tool path machines the entire cut area. Now we'll turn machine-only undercuts on and see how the tool path is limited to the undercut geometry. Cut levels for Z-level undercut operations can now be optimized. This new option allows the tool to cut more efficiently by adjusting the depth of cut for more consistent on-part spacing and scallop height, creating additional cuts as the slope changes from steep to shallow. To demonstrate, we'll edit an existing Z-level undercut operation. When cut levels is set to constant, the cut depths are evenly spaced regardless of the surface steepness. When cut levels is optimized, additional cuts are created as the slope changes from steep to shallow.